That's the reason sometimes I ask this question to my candidates. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to solve a very important problem from linked list. Most of the linked list problems are solved using 2 pointers. This one needs 3 pointers. That's why it is my favorite one. Sounds good? Let's now begin Leetcode problem 206. This problem can be solved using recursion, just 2 lines of code and you are done. Time and space complexity is O of n because of the call stack. Okay, but we will not be using extra space here. We will not be using recursion here. This is an iterative solution, so we can get rid of this extra space O of n here. Okay, good. Now let's start.
Reverse a singly linked list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is the answer. Follow up. A linked list can be reversed either iteratively or recursively. Could you implement both? As I spoke, we'll be solving this using the iterative approach. Recursive solution is the homework for you. Okay. If head equal to null or head dot next equal to null, then return head. When we have only one node or a null node, we just have to return head, which is what I did here. Okay. Now, as I said already, we need 3 pointers, right? Why we need 3 pointers is to remember 3 things. One is previous node, another is current node, and another is the next node. Okay. Let's say 2 nodes are 1 and 2. Then when we reverse, 1 next should point to the null and 2 next should point to 1, right? So 1 is the current node, 2 is the next node, and previous is the null node. Okay. If we visualize this, we need to deal with 3 things, right? One is the previous node, another one is the current node, and another one is the next node. As I said, let's initialize previous node. So I'll say prev equal to null, list node next equal to current of next. Okay. Now if we see these 3 pointers, previous is null, current is 1, and next is 2. So now what will we do? Next node of 1 should point to null, right? Current of next equal to previous. Good. Now what we did, we actually reversed the first node, right? Now we have to just use the same technique to reverse all the nodes until we reach the end. And to do that, we need a loop. And in the loop, what will we do? We will do this 2 operation, next equal to current of next and current of next is equal to previous. But also we will point previous to current and current to next in each iteration, right? Let's do that. So while cur not equal to null, okay, yeah, prev equal to cur and cur equal to next, right? And finally return prev. Let's test this. Good, accepted. Let's run this with 1 node. Let's run this with 2 node. Good. We can get rid of this current variable and we can just use head variable to write our code. So in that case, get rid of this. I'll get rid of this and I'll say current. I'll just replace current with head. Current. Okay. Let's see this. Cool. Now let's submit this. Nice.
Thanks guys, I hope you like this. I encourage you to watch the next video where I will use this same program, same solution and solve another problem. Like that will give you a better perspective, like how can we use this particular concept in solving different problems, solving new problems.